Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to share with you how I get this gorgeous twist out done that lasted me 7 days with all the curls intact. I did not have a lot of frizz, and I am so happy to share this process with you because I think it's important to share. Step number 3, do not skip step number 3. It's really important. It really do make a big difference on my twist out, the way it look, how gorgeous it looks. So please do not skip on step number 3. Step number 1 to achieve a great twist out is to make sure your hair is clean. So my step number 1, I pre-poo my hair using aloe vera leaves and olive oil. You all know the benefits of aloe vera. It keep your hair shine. It's also help you detangle your hair. So what I did, I cut the leaves and I had my olive oil. So as I'm putting the aloe vera on my hair, I also put some olive oil while I detangle it, and then I twist it back on. I repeat the same process in my entire head, and I put a shower cap on and I let it sit in my hair for 20 minutes while I sit under the dryer for the first 10 minutes. Because I have low porosity hair, I make sure my hair has some type of heat on it so the product can penetrate in my hair. After I pre-poo my hair, now we're going to go to step number 2. Step number 2, I shampoo my hair. I use a moisturizing shampoo. The reason why is because previously my hair was in a blow dry state because I had a protective style on, and I wanted to make sure my hair get all the nutrient that it needed because I didn't touch my hair for a whole 2 weeks. It was in a protective style. My hair did stay moisturized, but I wanted to make sure I keep the moisture in, so I use a moisturizing shampoo to shampoo my hair. It was one of the best wash day because the water felt so good on my hair. I do have a video while I was washing my hair. I'm going to link it somewhere in this video. But yeah, so step number 2 is to make sure you shampoo your hair. Make sure your scalp is clean, your hair is really clean. I shampoo my hair twice. I usually shampoo and then rinse it out, make sure I get on the scalp all the dirt is out, and then I'll put a little bit more shampoo again, and I repeat that on my entire head. I wash my hair in like 2 sections. I have like, you know, the left side and the right side, and at the end everything mixed together. But that's how I wash my hair. I'm going to link the video. If you like to check it out, you can. But that's step number 2, is to make sure your hair is clean. You wash it, cleaning your hair, your scalp is clean. So that is step number 2. Step number 3, this step is super important. I deep condition my hair with a deep conditioner that I basically make at home. While I was like in the process of like gathering things to wash my hair, I realized that I did not have a deep conditioner at home. I run to YouTube, figure out how I can make a deep conditioner at home, and I found a really good recipe. I also made a video about it. I'm going to link it in this video as well, because I like to share. You guys are my family, you are my people. I like to share with you. So what I did, I had the Shea Moisture conditioner. From there I added some honey, some castor oil, olive oil, like oil that's like and honey that's keep your hair shine. And this is why my hair stays shiny and intact all week for the entire 7 days that I wear my hair in that twist out. It looks so good. I never had a twist out before looking like this. My twist out always turned to like a big afro and day 3. This one lasts 7 days and it keep going. At the time of editing this video, my hair is about 7 days old and my curls still look great. So yeah, so I deep condition my hair after I shampoo my hair. I deep condition my hair, and I think that makes a really big difference on my curls, on the way my hair looks. It feels good, it looks good, and I love it. You can make your own deep conditioner. If you have a conditioner at home, just add like your favorite oil and you make sure it will well mix together, and that's how you get your favorite deep conditioner. And that's what I'm gonna continue doing from now on, is to make my deep conditioner at home, because I did enjoy it and it make a really big difference. Guys, I'm not killing. It really does make a big difference on my hair. So after I deep condition my hair, I make sure so that's step number 4, is to make sure your hair is detangled. You use product that gonna keep your hair moisturized. I am working with the Shea Moisture. I've been using that line for a very long time, since I've been natural basically, and it's working really well for me, and I'm gonna keep using it. So what I did, I sectioned my hair for 4 sections so I can work on smaller section. I use my leave-in conditioner, which is the Shea Moisture leave-in conditioner, and I put in the curl cream. From after the curl cream, I put in my butter, my homemade butter that I made. Also, I think the butter was one of the secrets to my beautiful twist out as well. So I put in my hair butter, and then I put a little bit, tiny bit of the Shea Moisture styling gel, and those products work really well together. So the leave-in conditioner, the curl cream, the shea butter, and the styling gel, those 4 products works really well with my hair, and my hair stay moisturized all week. I did not have to re-moisturize my hair midweek like I usually do, because my hair was super moisturized. I didn't have to. I make sure when I go to bed, I put use my scalp, my scarf, my pillowcases to make sure to protect my hair so less frizz. But that was the secret to a wonderful, great twist out. This one was, so far in my natural hair journey, it was one of my favorite twist out. I never done this twist out before like this that lasts that long, and I'm so proud of the process. I'm so proud of me figuring things out. Like I said, natural hair, it's a learning journey. I am still learning. I'm still finding product that works for me. But it was a really good success, and I was so excited to share it with you guys. I hope you are learning from this. You can try it. I hope you try a twist out in your hair this season. But that was it. That's all I wanted to share with you all. I wish you all a fantastic journey with your natural hair, whatever you choose to do with your natural hair. Your hair is gorgeous. Remember, your hair was designed just for you. It's beautiful. It suits you. Your hair go with your face. Your hair is beautiful. You're beautiful. And thank you for watching. Thank you for supporting. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and share this video with somebody that might need it. Again, thank you for watching. I'll see you on my next video. Bye.